From the era of gaudy road vacations, greetings! Presenting the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a groundbreaking concept that blends cutting-edge luxury and technology with legendary Ford dependability. At first glance, it appears aerodynamic and streamlined due to its enormous bespoke wheels, angular features reminiscent of Ford SUVs, adjustable LED lighting, and integrated solar panels on top for energy efficiency. The 2026 Ford Motorhome's cutting-edge drivetrain, allegedly derived from Ford's most recent advancements, gives it a futuristic appearance. It may be a powerful, reasonably priced V6 EcoBoost hybrid engine or a silent, eco-friendly all-electric motor, providing a wide spectrum for endless experimentation. The sleek, high-tech cockpit greets you as you enter. A high-resolution panoramic touchscreen that extends from driver to passenger and features the latest SWANC entertainment system, sophisticated navigation, and fingertip control for all motorhome operations is the main highlight of the dashboard. A straightforward and pleasurable driving experience is guaranteed with an ergonomic steering wheel with integrated controls and a digital instrument cluster that can be customized. Modern luxury is created by combining high-end components like reclaimed wood accents, soft vegan leather, and metal trim. The primary internal space is a large, cozy, multi-purpose lounge that embraces the open space concept and receives an abundance of natural light from the panoramic windows. Flexible arrangement is made possible by modular furniture. For example, an electric folding table may be used to create a large dining space, or a soft sofa can be transformed into an additional bed. An innovative air filtration system ensures the highest possible air quality, while an adjustable LED ambient lighting system creates a variety of ambiances. The interior's use of durable and environmentally friendly materials without sacrificing elegance demonstrates Ford's dedication to sustainability. The back bedroom provides a tranquil haven. A top-notch orthopedic mattress on a queen or king-size bed guarantees great sleep. Complete privacy or broad vistas are possible with large windows that have motorized shutters. Underbed storage, concealed drawers, and built-in closets keep everything neat. This bedroom is more comfortable thanks to an integrated smart TV, USB charging connections, and separate reading illumination. The bathroom's ingenious layout maximizes both use and space. The bathroom has a high-pressure rain shower, a water-saving vacuum toilet, a designer sink with a sensory tap, and lovely ceramic tiles and waterproof surfaces. An LED-lit mirror, concealed shelves for storage, and an effective ventilation system are a few examples of contemporary and useful features. Every chef's fantasy when traveling is the kitchen in the 2026 Ford Motorhome. Included are high-end full-size appliances such as a compact dishwasher, a dual-zone refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven/microwave, and a 2-burner induction cooktop. Pull-out faucets and undermount sinks are examples of luxurious quartz surfaces. Everywhere you go, clever cabinets and storage drawers with features like a separate cutlery drawer and an integrated garbage can provide a neat and practical area for cooking delectable meals.